Greetings to all. My name is Milmantas and I am the founder and owner of Milmantas Immigration Services, a Canadian immigration company located in Toronto, Ontario. There is that eternal question. I want to work in Canada. Do I still need to know one of the state languages and take the test? The answer is yes. You do need to know one of the official languages, as an officer has the right to refuse your application if you do not know the language. On the other hand, you may be lucky, as it is upon the discretion of an immigration officer to refuse your application for lack of English. Let's assume that an immigration officer didn't pay attention to your language skills and approved your application. Upon arrival to Canada, an immigration officer may refuse to issue your work permit due to lack of knowledge of one of the official languages. I would like to share with you a recent case law. An officer at the visa section of the High Commission of Canada in New Delhi denied the application on the basis that the applicant did not demonstrate that he would be able to adequately perform his work due to insufficient English. The applicant, a citizen of India, submitted an application for a work permit as a cook and provided his IELTS test results indicating scores of listening 4.5, reading 3.5, speaking and writing 5.5. The officer's concern was that the applicant's reading ability, which was 3.5. In the officer's opinion, it would hamper the applicant's performance as a cook, as his limited skill in reading would not allow him to adequately follow recipes, read notes on dietary restrictions, read food safety instructions, and so on. Officer raised the issue that this specific knock requires higher reading skills. The LMIA requires verbal and written English, but does not specify any level of proficiency. Therefore, the officer had wide discretion in assessing whether the applicant's English language reading skills were sufficient to perform the work in Canada. The officer concluded that the applicant could not do so given his reading score. An application for judicial review was filed. The justice concluded that the officer's decision was reasonable and that the applicant had not established that his English reading ability would permit to perform the work of a cook. For the above reasons, it was found that the officer's reasons were justified, transparent, and intelligible, and the decision was reasonable. On May 27, 2022, the application for judicial review was dismissed. You are invited to read the entire case to fully appreciate the importance of language and how it could affect your application. The bottom line, in order to be successful, you need to know either English or French or both. I invite you to contact us today via email or give us a call regarding your study, work, or an application for permanent resident status, and we would be happy to assist. I trust and hope that this information was useful to you. Looking forward to hearing from you. All the best.